Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials first: license, business unit, and integration access. Once those are present, create an API integration user so systems can talk securely. Next, make data extensions with correct field types, import a small sample file, and validate mappings. Make sure to assign Marketing Cloud roles to your users. That prevents permission errors later. Now that data and access are in place, you're ready to build your first email send and link it to a Salesforce campaign. Once data is flowing, design a journey in Journey Builder using a clear entry source and decision splits to personalize paths. You'll map the contact model and confirm subscriber key alignment with Salesforce. This prevents duplicate contacts. Use Automation Studio to run ETL jobs, scheduled imports, and SQL to transform data. Make sure to test each activity with a small audience and monitor contact counts. That helps you catch logic or data mismatches before full sends. You'll prepare final sends in Email Studio, set sender profile, schedule delivery, and run an /B subject test. After sending, monitor tracking metrics and verify synchronized Salesforce campaign updates. If results look off, first check API logs for integration errors, then confirm user permissions and subscriber key mappings. Make sure that suppressed addresses aren't blocking recipients. If necessary, rerun a small test after fixes. Finally, document the change that resolved the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.